Hey guys, it's the new year, and I'm currently editing some of the videos. I need to upload some of the videos, and yeah, I'm up. We're up late. We are up around 2 p.m. and we're supposed to be up early, but we're up 2 p.m. and we just had chorizo and egg for breakfast, which happened at around 2 p.m. But it was really late. Yeah, and as for now, I was planning to go out and we're gonna go somewhere for the new year. But the thing is, I'm so tired right now. I'm so lazy. Not tired, lazy. So I'm just staying at home. And surprisingly, I'm not wearing my glasses. I'm not getting headaches. That's a good thing, right? Yeah. Okay. So the weather is really good outside, but I decided I'm gonna just do some backlogs, do some work at home, and later today we're gonna go out and maybe go for a little walk outside because the weather's really good. I want to show it to you, but you won't understand. But yeah, I just stood up outside and it's really good. It's really good. The weather's really good. So yeah, I'm planning to go for a walk later, and yeah, that's it. That's all on New Year. Nothing really happened. Nothing really super exciting that's happened. That's happened. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just here in front of the computer again. I'm exporting some of the raw files for the clients, and also editing some of them, and preparing some of them. And yeah, I know it's been a hectic November, November and December. So there was a lot of things that happened. I had to call all the files because every weekend I have a day job. I work around 7 days a week, and at the same time I also have weekends to shoot. So I don't have time to call things out and work on things out. So I try to make sure that when I have time, I'm gonna try to prep all the files and get them ready. But it's really been hectic. Was sick last week. Early December. My sisters came also to Melbourne, so I have to show them around. Of course, we haven't seen each other for 6 years. I also have a vlog about them. I don't know if I'm gonna be uploading. I'm still gonna edit some of the photos that we had. So there's a lot of things that could happen in the next few days. But as for now, I'm feeling a bit. I still have the cough. I'm still not feeling 100%. But yeah, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make the new year good and epic. And yeah, tomorrow and Thursday I have day work, and then Saturday I have another wedding. Sunday I'll be shooting a pre-wedding. So it's still been full, and I hope my health will stay intact and I won't be very sick. But I'm really excited for the next year, and yeah. Oh, just gonna upload a video in a few about my plans for the new year. But again, it's just planned. It's not final. And yeah, that's it. So let's just go ahead with the daily vlogs. Daily vlogs. I'm not sure if I can do daily vlogs, but I'll try. So yeah, first things first. I really want to show you the weather outside. I wonder if it's good. I'm not sure. Oh, it's gonna be blown out. Let me just put a filter. So this is outside. You won't see anything. Let me just try to change the shape. Okay, that's outside. I'm not really doing a good job showing you outside, but yeah, the weather is really good, and you can see blue skies. I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, yeah, it's really good. Let me just close this door first. So another thing is that hopefully. So another thing is that whenever there's good weather, you should enjoy it. You should go out and enjoy the outdoors. Just don't stay at home, because the thing is, it's sometimes too. I don't know what to say. Like when you're at home, you just feel so sad and lonely that you're just in one place. And the thing is, nothing. The air is not. The good air is not circulating. Good vibes, and not gonna feel the good vibes. But if you go out, enjoy the outdoors, it's gonna be fun. Only thing, I just have work, so I can't enjoy the outdoors now. But definitely when I can, I'm gonna go out there and enjoy the outdoors. Yeah. Told myself I'm gonna be dieting. I won't be eating any bad foods for the new year. So I'm gonna eat the best foods. But still having ice cream and cake today. But we're gonna walk outside. We're gonna do a quick walk outside just for mental health and for physical health. What physical health? Anything. We're gonna try our best. We're gonna go out now. Yeah. We're definitely walking for the new year. We're gonna walk, but I look like shit. So yeah, we're walking and we're walking. So yeah, bye. She's gonna train ballet. Jing 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 jing. You can do it. Mag hurdles ka dili ka kalayat dia. So unsa man nga tong what's our New Year's resolution? Eat a lot. Eat more.
Stay fat.
Take no prisoners.
We've decided we'd like to stay fat.
Yes. So new year, new me. We're gonna eat all the food.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's fine.
It's a good New Year, isn't it?
It's perfect. Yeah.
We're just gonna be fat this year.
Yes, we have decided that one together. Even though we haven't talked about it, we just mention it now. We have decided. Oh, yeah. Let's go home. I'm tired of walking. The curious one who tries to get anything she sees. So it's that your New Year's resolution. You're gonna eat anything that you see.
Ano ka rin whittle seed? Ano to?
I don't know. This seed thingy.
Katagi kao to sa uluru ba?
Yeah. So whatever she sees, she's gonna devour it. There she goes again. No! No! Oh man. She really ate it! No! She really ate it!
That could be uban mga pili natin sa amin nila pag-discover na labi na.
That could go make you crazy or something. That could
Yung sa nila pag-discover na poison ng something.
That could
Kung sa nila pag-discover na lami ang something
and may
or poison.
alien.
Yung sa nagkaon sa first durian. I'm taking Mikel to the doctor this new year. He needs some deworming. Oh.
She's taking me to the vet.
Ooh.
Such a rude person. No more. Fuck. No more. No more.
It's round thingy.
No more. No. She keeps on eating whatever she sees. It used to be trees. Now anything that's on the table, anything that she can see in the shops, anything she can see online.
Really?
Not really.
Wait, ako ba to kung kanon, Darna?
Look, old house.
Solicitor.
Solicitors. We're just walking around our neighborhood, and would you believe it's our first time?
Is I play house?
Yep, we survived the walk. That was a grueling 10-minute walk. I reckon 15. We're back home. Happy New Year. We didn't bring the keys for the house. I just brought the garage door opener. Don't stop it.
Dili lang ta magagi.
I don't want to go down there. She wants us to go down there. I can't see.
Stop na.
Anyway.
Stop na.
Okay, the day is gonna be ending, and Laura made baon for me, like baon, and she placed it here. She wants me to bring it to work and eat fruit salad from here, like, you know, at least it's not ice cream or margarine or something. Yeah. Okay, today's gonna be ending, and yeah, I'm just still watching Titans, and I have work tomorrow. Too late to go to work. Anyway, good night, guys. Bye.